The holiday season brings loved ones together. For many seniors, however, the holiday season can be a time of loneliness and isolation. It is important to show extra love to the older adults in your life. Here are a few things you can do this holiday season. Call the seniors in your life, have a video chat, deliver a gift, enjoy a meal together, drop in for a visit. Let us spread love this holiday season. What are you planning to do with loved ones over the holidays? Let us know in the comments below. 假期将亲人聚在一起。然而，对于许多老年人来说，假期可能是一个孤独和孤立的时期。对生活中的老年人表现出额外的爱是很重要的。在这个假期，您可以做以下几件事：打电话给你生活中的长辈，进行视频聊天，送礼物，一起享用美食，前来参观，让我们在这个假期传播爱。你打算在假期里和你爱的人一起做什么？在下面的评论中让我们知道。
我们